you? Welcome to Unique Studios, and today's video tutorial guide will be on how you can fix the emboss errors. Anytime the emboss errors, we try to do something on it always brings some stroke. So today's tutorial, I'll teach you how you can fix those problems, and I'll be giving you 2 tips. So kindly wait to the end of the video tutorial and do the needful. So before we move on, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video guide, and help a lot of people. As soon as you get the value from this video, a lot of people need to be blessed by you sharing this to them. So now let me first change my background so we can have a clear view. Let me give it a YouTube background. Okay, let me just see. Let me see if I can do. I think it's a little bit too big. Okay, in the image size. Okay, let's work with this. So now what I want to do next now is just write. I'll just write any text. So go back to my text editor. Let me just give it a text. Let me just write emboss. Okay, because that's what we want to change. So now let me choose a font that will be more visible for us to work with. I think I'll go with this Dambre. So I'll be showing you 2 ways wherein you can fix the problem, so kindly stay tuned with it. So let me increase this padding, left padding, okay, and this right padding. Okay, now so let me centralize. So the first one you need to do now, let's go to emboss. So this is the problem you want to fix. Anytime we try to click on this emboss, this is always the problem. It always brings on our PC and everything we want to work on. So today's video guide will be on how you can fix this, even on right on this Pixellab. So anytime you click on emboss and you have this problem, the thing you need to do now is just, so in case you want to do anything, the thing you need to do now is, just follow me and you get this. So the first thing you need to do now, go to text. We try to turn this word into a shape. We try to turn this word, this emboss, this problem into a shape. And one of the ways to do it now is to like match things together. So you can just give it anything. Let me just give it a dot and let me take it to the middle so that it won't be something that can be seen. So let me just move it around. Okay, after you're done with that, match both together, match everything together, match both together, and when you're done with that, you will have this. Okay, we just wait for a few seconds and we're done. See, when you match it, can you see that it has been fixed? So this is the number 1 way you can fix this problem on your emboss. And when you are done with the editing and all those things, this is number 1 way you can fix it. You can just go to emboss and try to fix some things. This is the number 1 way. So I'll begin the second one on how you can do it. I'll begin the second one on, but let me quickly just need to do some things to it. So when you enable it again, you can easily go around, go for the add, and I want to do a little bit of touching to it. So that's the first one. The second thing you need to do to fix this is to reduce the size or reduce or increase the size. That's the second way to fix this problem on Pixellab. So I'll be doing the second one here. So to do this, you need to just try to increase it or reduce it. So can you see as I'm reducing it, it's fixing it himself. Okay, you can just maybe increase it a little bit until it's going to cover everything. It's going. Can you see like this? Can you see? Let me just zoom in. Can you see it has been fixed? The problem has been fixed. So this is the second way. So with this, you can just have a clear emboss. When you are done with this editing and stuff, you can have it.